the nicest group of people. It made the whole getting a kitchen in easy because of the tradespeople. The experiences were so positive. The electricians, the plumbers, the flooring people, the cabinet people. Joe, we took the old kitchen out. Anyone to do with this kitchen made the process just an absolute joy because they were just delightful to deal with.
Oh, thank you, Kris.
Oh my god. I haven't seen all the tiles. It's gorgeous.
Voila!
Oh my god.
Subway tiles.
Stunning. Look, boys. Look, oh, it's beautiful. I just cannot believe it's the same kitchen. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you so much.
We've
You
got
have
another
no
little present
idea.
for you.
Oh gosh, they're gorgeous. Thank you so
You're
much.
find a nice pot for them, sort of thing.
I love every aspect of this kitchen, and what a delightful experience it's been. So all your spices, oils, anything you want to be using at this cook place for storage, just line them all up. How easy is that? And then where you're standing, you just do your sprinkle, close it back up. Oh my gosh, I love the colour of this stone against the crisp white. Here we are. Ta-da! And then we just close it up. Ta-da! Easy living. In our situation, it's lovely when community gives back. And we greatly appreciate it.
Well, that's what we want to do. We want to give back to the Brisbane community.